How to convert YouTube video to MP3 using VLC Media Player. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up the steps. So first thing is open up a browser and search for VLC Media, and you can head over to the official website of VLC Media Player and open it up and download it on your device. So look for the download option on your screen, click on download, and once you download it, it may take about some minutes. If it has not started downloading, you can click here and wait for the download to be completed, and it will appear at the top like this. From your recent download history, you can just go ahead and open it up once it is downloaded on your files. Once it opens up, now you need to start the process of setting it up. You may just go ahead and open up the file that you just downloaded, the VLC Media Player, and then click on your language and select up next from your screen. Now all you gotta do is simply set it up. You may set up by clicking on every instructions provided. Just go ahead and click on it, click on next, and you may choose the components. After that, click on next again. And after that, it may take some while. Just wait for the process to be completed. Like this, it may take a while for it to be installed. So while it is being installed, the next step you can do is you may just go ahead and open up a browser and head over to youtube.com. So once you head over to youtube.com, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, head over to your profile in the top right, click on it, and then open up a menu. And from the menu, select up YouTube Studio. Open it up. Once you open YouTube Studio, you should be finding your dashboard. Now from here, you may head over to content that you would like to convert. Click on content, and you may just go ahead and locate up the video that you would like to download, that you would like to convert. For example, this video right here, click on the three dot and look for the download option and download the video. Once the video is downloaded, this one right here, you can just go ahead and view it up here like this. You should be finding the video being downloaded. So what you can do next is, once it is downloaded, you can finish up setting up your VLC Media Player. Click on finish. And once you have done that, your VLC Media Player opens up like this. Now all you gotta do is, from this option, look for the media option from this pop-up, this windows right here. Look for media option at the top, click on it, and locate up the option called convert or save, or you can hit Ctrl+R and open up. This opens up. Now here you can select up, so click on add, and we're going to select up the file that we just downloaded. So you can just go ahead and open up the video that you just downloaded, this one right here, and place it on and click on open. Once it is placed, you can just go ahead and look for this convert or save option with a drop down. Click on the drop down menu and look for the option, the last one, which is convert. You can also hit Alt+O and this appears. So the next thing you need to do is, under this profile section, you can drop it down again and select the option called audio MP3, since we are converting it into MP3. After that, in this destination file section, you can browse and select up the same, or you can select up the different folder as well, depending upon you can select up the folder and then click on save. So before clicking on save, we have this MP4 section. You need to convert it into MP3, this one right here. So let me just go ahead and convert it into MP3. Before doing it, you can type in .mp3 instead of .mp4 and then click on save. Once that is done, click on start and it will start converting it into the MP3 version. So you can just go ahead and play once it is converted. And then once it is converted, you can view it from your file manager. So open up your file, you can close this one right here and open up your files, and you should be finding your converted MP3 file right here. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to convert it using VLC Media Player. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.